Construction of water reservoir initiated at Sildharampur, Dokmoka Forest Reserve on 6 August. 6 professional mobile thieves were nabbed by Bokajan police on Friday at Bokajan. Residents of Bhim Ingti village and Bachok Rongphar village demands provision of road to Honorable MP Sri Horen Singh Bey on 6 August. Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live, Voice of Karbi Anglong. You're watching English Prime Time with Margaret Tarangpi. Now the news in details. Under the scheme of Amrit Sarovar, the construction of water reservoir was initiated at Dokmoka Sildharampur Forest Reserve under Dokmoka Western Forest Range, the first of its kind in Karbi Anglong district. The initial ceremony was done in presence of Mukul Kumar Saikia, Principal Secretary, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, to mark the celebration of glorious 75th Independence Day. On 28th of April, Honorable Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, launched the Amrit Sarovar project for all India level at Dokmoka. Amrit Sarovar project was launched in view to conserve water for the future. The mission is aimed at developing and regenerating 75 water bodies in each district of the country as part of the celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Therefore, as per the direction of the Prime Minister, Dokmoka Western Range and DRDA Department jointly initiated the process for the construction of Amrit Sarovar at Dokmoka Sildharampur Forest Reserve under Dokmoka Western Forest Range. It was reported that as large as 1 hectare of land was allocated for the construction of water reservoir and to generate its revenue. Rearing of fish would be done. The reservoir would preserve water for agricultural purposes and also it would benefit the wild animals of the reserve forest.
The all India level first time tum dak se ceremonial launching korilo. Hal shooting pen kapre biten nang palelo. Laso bitang bong sonthon alam ke dak nang klang lo je Amrit Sarovar PNRD department block pencheng lo mane DRD an latum si la government land an ke latum si claim nang po la sof hi forest area ke forest man tum claim pi po bonta tang allo putang te forest department man si ko hanover nang po hadak ke forest area tu matang SOP do hadak fencing bilong le pencheng lo hai kam da dro se la hai bang ni tum odun dire po fencing kam tang kapre kam tong de po dak mang ke langpi fishery big servo lake wala se silam bichot po thik la santhot Ministry of Railways hal ta mate se instruction dalo la for railway long le la santhot bhari long le pu unused long le dalo westland dalo hala long ta Amrit Sarovar kimneng bise hala ta mane instruction philo bini dak ke forest area pot la Ministry of Road Transport and Highways alang dum si claim pu pan teman nang chuneng lo.
On the occasion of initial ceremony, a sapling plantation was also carried out. Mukul Kumar Saikia, Principal Secretary, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Special Principal Chief Conservator of Forests, S.S. Rao, Project Director, Shashikanta Timung, Dokmoka Forest Range, ECF, Rajan Rongpi, Samilangso Block BDO, Junali Nath, National Highway Infrastructure Development Construction Limited, GM Rajiv Katiyal, and many officials from the concerned department attended the initial ceremony. Semsing Ingti's report from Dokmoka, Karbi Anglong Live. After an escalating reports of lost, stolen mobile phones pouring in from the citizens, Bokajan police instantly and actively monitored the case and hence successfully apprehended 6 professional thieves and recovered 31 numbers of lost stolen Android smartphones on 5th August. On 5th of August, based on the registered case number 64/2022 under section 457/380 IPC at Bokajan Police Station, the concerned authority instantly acted upon the complaint and started tracing the IMEI's number of the lost and stolen smartphones since the last 2 days from several locations. The main areas focused in tracing the phones were at Bokajan, Khatkati and Dimapur. The search operation was done successfully and hence recovered 31 numbers of lost, stolen Android smartphones along with one DSLR Nikon camera and apprehended 6 individuals in connection to this case. The apprehended individuals were identified as Bablu Das, 28 years of Dimapur, Nagaland, Itoa Chumi alias Biki, 32 years of Khatkati, permanent address of Nutun Basti, Dimapur, Nagaland, Chandan Kumar Shah, 27 years of Borlengri, Khatkati, Maina Konwar, 27 years of Kalibari, Diko Puria, Namghor, Sivsagar, Sofikul Ali alias Bapu Ali, Kania, 26 years of Simuluguri, Sivsagar and Akshay Dum alias Virat, 27 years of Mariani Railway Colony, Jorhat. The search operation was carried out under supervision of SP and was carried out by SDPO Bokajan and assisted by Inspector Moblik Brahma OC Bokajan Police Station, SI Rafsanjani Ahmad, officer in charge of the case, SI Santana Barua and other Bokajan PS staff, PSOs of SDPO Bokajan and APRG staff. It was reported that Dimapur police had also played a major role in tracing and recovering 31 numbers of lost and stolen smartphones. So far, one of the convicted individuals is absconding and therefore the search operation is going on and as many as 20 stolen phones are yet to be recovered. Anand Terang's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. On 6th of August, village headmen Riso Basa, Chinthong Asar and women of Bim Ingti village and Bachogrongpar village jointly demanded the provision of good road in their village to MP Horen Singh Bey. On 27 January 2022, Honorable MP Shri Horen Singh Bey laid a foundation stone for the construction of MNBT road from NH36 near Bim Ingti village to Upper Dikrong via Bachogrongpar village, Dasharat Sarma village under AAP scheme 2019-2020. The total length of the road mentioned in the project was 3.30 km. But due to incompletion of the project, the condition of the road had turned unpassable. Therefore, the residents of Bim Ingti village and Bachogrongpar village voluntarily filled the potholes and repaired the road for the time being. Village headmen informed that the village is a home to nearly 100 families and many lives had been lost midway due to the pathetic condition of the road. It had created additional burden to all the commuters. When monsoon season hits the district, children often miss their school and not even a single bicycle could pass through it. Therefore, the village headman appeals Honorable MP Shri Horen Singh Bey to kindly initiate the construction of the road at the earliest as per the promise he made publicly during the foundation laying ceremony.
27 January 2022 so bang lo lang si donatu da kenal tunal ni biri li na klem pivek po na patang pivek po lang ga yo ni chulo pa ta mo gi glun po so to wa ga ni chulo teng po an se lang li tigang da radang lu sini tung cho hong bom lo da pinya pe ga kan pi pho le tang sini li tung ba ga su lo la si rat hoi pe ni lu ni ri mo ni ri council tik ding on da so to wa ni ka play bi da te ni rong party to si
Bijoy Rongpi's report from Dilai, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all for today. Thank you so much for joining Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.